of all, let me thank from my bottom of my heart our Honorable Minister who has supported us unconditionally in the shifting of these premises. As you all may be knowing that the earlier premises was having some issues, like dampness was there, and the records were not being were getting damaged slowly and slowly. So this premises was the need of the hour. I hope that we will be able to soon build our own premises in the near future, and I request sir also to take up this matter with the government. And I thank our friend Akash for lending us this premises and also lending us the support during the shifting. As you may be knowing, we have over 3 lakh books or 3 crore pages. So shifting of almost 700, 800 odd racks, shifting of all these pages was a hassle. And also I would like to congratulate each of my staff, literally who have worked until 8:30, 10 o'clock, till 10 o'clock in the night for making this shifting possible.
This demolish करून ताजेर काडपाचे, but I have requested the Honorable Chief Minister not to give us the same slot, same premise again for rebuild, because there is a low-lying area wherein the water table is very high. Immediately it is getting flooded, and this surrounding there are lakes and trees. So तातूंतल्यान आमकां खूब डेंजरस आसा. हे रिकॉर्ड्स आसा ताका डॅम्पनेस स्वताक पडना. आमचे आर्कायव्स एक्टा प्रमाणे आमकां ही गायडलायन्स ज्यो आसात त्यो सांगता आमकां ते हाय म्हणजे हाजेर लॅटिट्यूडाचेर हे रिकॉर्ड्स आनी बिल्डिंग्स आसपाक जाय. So adhering to that, we are trying to look for a place wherein it is situated much above and there cannot be any flooding any time. So अशा जाग्याचेर आमची बिल्डिंग घेवपाची आमची इच्छा आसा आनी I am looking out for this, and the government is very supportive, and we will see to that within a record time. If we get the land, then we will be going for the construction of building. हांव खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता आमच्या स्टाफाचें. तांणी जे रिकॉर्ड्स हाडून हांगा बरें प्लेस केल्ले आसा, तांणी सर्विसीस दिल्ले आसात. दे वर वर्किंग मॉर्निंग 8 to evening night, late night also. म्हणजे हांव राती हांगा 10:30 आयलो तेन्नाय काम चालूच आशिल्लें. केन्ना केन्ना हांव वता आसतना हांगा पळयता हांगा आमचे सगळे कार्यकर्ते, हांव म्हणटा कार्यकर्त्यांचें काम करतात ते वर्कर्स. It is not always correct that our government servants only they look for their timings. म्हणजे भितर सरतना कितल्यांकय सोडून पूण वता आसतना टायमार वचपाचो हें ना हांगा. हांगा भितर सरता आसतनाय बेगीन येतात आनी वतनाय खूब लेट वतात. सो इट इज आमचे मॅडम ब्लॉसम आनी खूब त्यांच्या लिडरशिपा खाली ऑल दीस ट्रान्सफर हॅज टेकन प्लेस. And she has taken, I mean, सकाळचे येऊन रातचेपर्यंत राहून ते काम केलें. And I wish her, I think busy आसा दिसता म्हाका. I congratulate in advance that you will go through and परत एक फावटी आमचे सगळे पत्रकार भाव हांगा आयिल्ले आसा. तुमचे सगळ्यांचे मना काळजांतल्यान हांव खूब खूब देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनीक हाचे फुडें जे रिकॉर्ड्स आमचे कडेन आसा त्या लोकांक सेवा दिवपा खातीर आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट we will try to have all the innovations, all the latest technology which is available for in delivering whatever is required. Archival record पाळाक जाय जर जाय जाल्यार सिस्टमॅटिकली ताका एप्लाय केले नंतर एक रिकॉर्ड टायमा भितर तांकां दिवपाचें हें काम आमी करतले. आनी त्याच बरोबर आमचे CCTV सर्वेलन्स बी केल्ले आसा. सो CCTV फायर किंवा बाकीचे जे प्रोटेक्शन्स आसात ते केल्ले आसा. आनी जाणे करून हाच्या फुडें खंयच्याच डॉक्युमेंटा कडेन टॅम्परिंग जावचें ना, तातूंत भितर मिसप्लेस जावचें ना, तातूंत भितर कोणी काडून व्हरपाचें रिप्लेसमेंट, ऑल दीस थिंग्स वील नॉट वर्क.